Wire ropes help support critical infrastructure assets and mission-critical equipment worldwide. These wire ropes are in constant motion and under constantly varying loads. They are exposed to the elements, sometimes extremely hostile. Proper inspection and maintenance is essential to ensure safe operation and extend service life. The wire rope break, both visible and invisible to the eye, can have catastrophic consequences to not only infrastructure and assets, but to equipment operators and the traveling public. Flare stack guy wires and wire ropes have been inspected using manual and subjective methods for years. Infrastructure Preservation Corporation provides advanced non-destructive testing services that accurately identify rope defects, including those missed by visual inspection. Advanced robotic non-destructive testing and software can peer through cable wrappings to read the critical steel strands of rope along its working length, identifying internal loss of metallic area and external defects as well. It does this by utilizing specialty cameras, magnetic flux leakage MFL combined with software and encoded transmitters that beam results back to a portable base station thousands of feet away. Broken wires, corrosion, abrasion and other damage is detected and reported immediately, and a formal advanced condition assessment report is provided, so that the asset owner will know when to replace their wire rope. RopeScan is a wire rope inspection service that inspects flare stack, radio and transmission towers, cranes, hoists. Wire rope needs inspection throughout its service life for safety of personnel and operations, protection against loss and liability, economic and safe extension of rope life, and satisfying regulatory agency requirements. RopeScan also records position of anomalies, tracks deterioration progression over time, creates a permanent record of findings, quantifies loss of metallic area, does not require working from heights. No boom trucks or lane closures required. Know when to replace your wire ropes.